Look at all these colourful dinosaurs. Oh no, all the dinosaurs have disappeared. Let's go find them and put them back in the puzzle. Here they are. We have a blue Brontosaurus, a yellow Ankylosaurus, a red Triceratops, a yellow Stegosaurus, a purple Tyrannosaurus, a green pterosaur, and let's not forget this dinosaur. This is a tricky one. This is a green Parasaurolophus. Now let's put our colourful dinosaurs back into the puzzle. We'll start with our yellow Stegosaurus. Does it go here? No, it doesn't fit. It goes up here. Now let's do the green Parasaurolophus. Does it go here? No. Where does it go? That's right. Now let's do our red Triceratops. Oh, he's right here. Now let's see where our green pterosaur goes. Does it go here? No. It goes here. Not many left. Let's move on to our yellow Ankylosaurus. And he goes right here. Now let's put back our purple Tyrannosaurus. Does he go here? No, he doesn't. He goes right here. There we go. And our last dinosaur is the blue Brontosaurus. And the blue Brontosaurus goes right here. We've put all our dinosaurs back into the puzzle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 dinosaurs. Do you remember their names and their colours? We have the yellow Stegosaurus, the green Parasaurolophus, the purple Tyrannosaurus, the red Triceratops, the yellow Ankylosaurus, the blue Brontosaurus, and our last dinosaur, the green pterosaur.